Welcome to S English. Our lesson today is toys.
Doll, doll. Ball, ball. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Puzzle, puzzle. Car, car. Kite, kite. Bike, bike. Game, game. Scooter, scooter. Is this your teddy bear? Yes, it is. Is this your teddy bear? No, it isn't. This is my bag. This is your doll. This is your ball. This is my bag. This is your car. This is my puzzle. This is my kite. This is my bike. This is my train. This is my game. This is my scooter.